Alright, this is part 2 of the blog section, creating blog posts and whatnot. I'm going to go over the mosaic or the collage, this right here, posting, and I'm going to go over a couple other little things that I left out on the other one. And actually, before I forget, just in case, I'm going to mention something that I didn't, and I should have in the last video, and that's how many posts you can get to show up per page. So right now I have, I think it's 4, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 posts per page, and how you do that is under settings. Where are we? Settings, there we are. Settings, and then reading. And you can set how many posts to show per page. Right now I'm using 4, so if you want to update, change that, that's where you do it at. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive back into posts, and let's go ahead and do a mosaic or a collage. I'm going to create a new one. Let's see. Creating a mosaic. Apparently I can't spell. Blog post. Alright, and as usual, drop in my everyday standard Lorem Ipsum text. Now, if you remember from the last video, we want to choose what post type. Over here, we want to set it up for mosaic. I'm going to go ahead and choose some categories, as well as do some tags. Let's see, premium, wedding themes, that'll be my tag for this one. And then go ahead and publish this. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and just do a few of these for related posts just because. Update. Now here comes the fun part. Alright, the mosaic takes, I believe, 4 images. Well, I can't even remember. 4 images. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. So what we want to do is upload images, and we can do that either using the featured image section or by clicking the little upload insert media icon right here. Doesn't matter. And we can select actually all 4 at one time or individually. So I'm just going to go grab 4 pictures real quick. Oops. Let's see. These 4 will work. Just give it a second while it crunches this down. Alright. Pictures are probably a little bit bigger than I should have actually uploaded, but silly me. Alright, so now we have our 4 pictures. I don't have to do anything. I've already uploaded these pictures. Now this is automatically adding to the gallery, and the gallery feature is what's setting up this this mosaic. So you can go ahead and X out, update. Let's come to the front end, make sure I'm on the home page of the blog, refresh. Here we are, creating a mosaic blog post. And you'll see it's automatically collaged these pictures up, size them for us and everything, so we don't have to size these images. Now, what we will see, and I'm going to go over real quick, is this little section. You know, we can click this and actually see the gallery, the slideshow. So if I click this, it goes to the posts, and I can see the slideshow of the gallery. But we're not seeing that, right? And we're also missing our featured image. So 2 things. First, how do we see that slideshow? Really easy. First, click and set your pointer with your mouse where you want the slideshow to be. You want it up top, you want it at the bottom, wherever. Set that. So I'm going to go ahead and do it at the bottom. I'm going to click the icon again. Gallery. And then insert gallery. Of course you could have done this all in one shot when you're uploading, but I wanted you to see that first because it becomes a common mistake where people don't see the gallery because they forget to insert it. So, alright, so click insert gallery. We'll see it right there. Let's update. Let's refresh the actual post. Okay. Oh, I just noticed the little thing. See this little star? Now this looks a little off. That is a bug. I just now noticed that. That's new. by the time you are seeing these videos, this will be fixed, so don't worry about that. So just, that's how you insert a gallery. Nothing's going to change, but I will clean this up, so just, don't worry about that right now. Alright, so now what we need to do is set this featured image here. So we could do that by coming and using featured image. I'm just going to get one we already have loaded up to the media library here. Let's see. Let's make sure we got a big enough one. Okay, we do. Use this featured image. Update. Come back here. Refresh. We now should have a featured image that shows up here. There we are, as well as maintain our gallery. Now you will notice this is changed out now, and I'm bringing that up is because the featured image is tied in with the gallery, meaning if you can upload a picture or all the pictures here, as well as upload them through here, but what it's going to do is it's going to pull one of those pictures and set it for here, as well as include it in this gallery. So that's up to you and how you want to, order that and everything else. But if you upload 4 here, and then you go upload and use the featured image section, it's going to replace one of these. So maybe the idea is you use featured image first, you upload that, and then you upload your additional 3, and then it fills the rest of this out, and then makes your gallery complete. All right. Now let me touch base on a couple other minor little things, just in general. In regards to the blog and the blog post, specifically this widget in the sidebar section. I'm going to just touch this real brief because I'm actually going to do another tutorial based completely on this sidebar. And what I'm going to mention right now is this sidebar by default is always going to be your sidebar. You cannot change out sidebars for the blog posts. The theme has the ability to make and create multiple sidebars, but the blog sidebar is the blog sidebar. There's no way around that. And we can actually set and choose which widgets and which sections we want to include in this sidebar, as well as, if you don't want this, right, if we're looking at it right now, we got all this empty space and stuff, so that would just be adjusted by, taking out and removing some of these widgets, or, having a longer blog post, or, once you start having comments, then that obviously will make up all that space. That's going to do it for this one. Like I said, I'm going to do another tutorial just on widgets and your sidebar right here, and you can catch that later on.